Heading to the stars, we won't trade it up for another life, no way. Ooh, I am looking so lavish. Ooh, I put in work like it's a habit, it's a big move. Every day is like a dream, making big moves. Gotta do it for the team. Ooh, I am looking so lavish. Ooh, I bet you can't imagine. No need to stunt, cause we put it till the booty just for fun. We put it up on me up to out of this world. I don't care if I'm a brat, I'm just going dumb. Dalawang size lang ang zipper ko. All the shooting stars in the dark, in the dark. Look, totoo ba? Take it off from the ground, it's amazing. So out of this world and space. Nick. Grabe si Dit, sold out na. Buti na lang nakapag-secure ng tics. Oo nga eh, nakita ko nga eh. Maubos mo na yung cookies? No, nasa ref. Hindi ko pwedeng ubusin, be. Hindi naman ako mahilig sa sweets. Parang pwede na to. Wala akong upcoming shows. Right now, wala pa. Ang inquiries ko, puro private shows. May nag-inquire sa akin, mag-show sa Iligan. Sana mag-reply na sila. Hindi na nila ako binalikan eh. Kung saan man yun. Province yun eh, diba? Make a big moves, have a shit fun. Ooh, I'm so lavish. I bet you can imagine. Okay, I think this is fine. I'm from Iligan po. Ayun, Peter, may nag-inquire sa akin mag-show sa Iligan. Parang all plus size ata yung show, something like that. Pero hindi na nila ako binalikan eh, nag-reply ako sa kanila. I forgot. I think I forgot when is their event. Yeah. Magulat po ba kayo kung nanalo si Brigading? Hindi naman ako magugulat. Deserve naman. Gulat ba ako? Hindi rin. Anong magandang unang kulay ng drag wig? Black or blonde? Blonde? Pareho naman kasi, blonde or black. It could, as a first wig, it's one of the most versatile. So, you're getting better po. I am better. What do you mean by getting better? Is this love? Is it love? I can't help but see Casey Concepcion in your face. I get that. Yeah. So, thank you. Pati yung nanay. I mean, healthy po. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate that. Glow up malala. Shalemit! Ay, zipper! Kasi zipper! What? Wait, where's the zipper? What? The fuck? Wait! O gago, kita-kita niya sa live kung paano ako multuhin. Ha? Paano nangyari yun? Ha? Hello? Wait, hold on. Wait, what the fuck? Nawawala yung zipper bigla. Parang nakakatawa. Naglalaw yung zipper. Nagsusukat lang ako. Wait lang ah. I got it. Nakashitaこともある冷たくしてもなお寄り添う気持ちがあればいいのさ俺にしてみりゃこれで最後のレイでエリー My love so sweet Baliktad 二人がもしも覚めて海り据えなくて思い出であればその俺がHello Samantha Ellie My love, so sweet. To baby, bujakini mama. Kung regular viewer kita, pagpasensya mo na amats ko tong kantang to lately. Sa soe na amiga no higa ocheru Eli, my love, so sweet. Eli, my love, so sweet. Legit na ang season 4, ma. Saan mo nakuha ang source? Anong source mo? Kiusute mo. Anong title nito again? My love, so sweet. Title, Hitoshi no Eli. Or Eli, My Love So Sweet. Utsute moto baby, sutaki ni inyosai. Eli, my love, so sweet. Eli, my love, so sweet. Ay wow, Japanese ang atake. Well, welcome to my live, darling. Japanese ako eh. Waratte motto baby, mujaki ni onamai. Utsutte motto baby, suteki ni inyosai. Mami, kailan ka balak mag-international? Malay ko. Hindi ko alam. Pag may pera, mag-international tayo. Gusto kong bumalik ng San Francisco. Balik ako sa Francisco. So sweet. Thank you sa follow. Da 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 da. La la la. All right. Ayan. All right. Oras natin ngayon 11:30 ng gabi. Tiyari. Sino bang pwede na patugtugin? May nakita akong video ni Benson Boone. Ang galing niya kumanta. Kinanta niya yung When We Were Young. Ang galing ni Benson Boone. Fairness. Pabasbas po for upcoming boards, ma. Wow! Anong boards yan? Good luck sa'yo, Ace. Galingan. Thank you. Anticipating, pray to the Lord. Jesus, feed me completely. How my heart yearns for you. Is it far away? Is it okay? This man is testing me. Help me, help me, help me, Lord. Baby, where the hell is my husband? Why is it taking him so long to fly me? Oh, baby. Ganda. Play this song, Mariah Carey. Sige. Maya. I went above you, pray to the Lord. You just need me completely. How my heart yearns for you. Is it far away? Is it okay? What song po yan? Ang kanta natin ngayon is called Where is My Husband? Nasaan ang aking asawa? No? Sa letrang B? Tell him I'm tell him I'm tell him I'm kind, tell him I'm 5'5", tell him I'm brown eyes and I go feel it. Ano nga yan? Aralin ko na yan. I would like a ring, I would like a ring, I would like a diamond ring on my wedding finger. I would like a big and shiny diamond that I can wave around, talking about it. And when the days never give me all, I like it, never doubt it. Until then, I do I see a body. This man is testing me, help me. Why is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another.
Your husband is coming.
I would like a ring, I would like a ring, I would like a diamond ring on my wedding finger. I would like a big and shiny. GB song ko to. Need you to spell it out for me. Bossa Nova on all night. Introduce me to your best friend. Ma, pahinga na ako. Go, Hana, pahinga. Already know. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. I want it. Call me wonderful. Be the man I need. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me. Talk to me. Be the man that I need. Talk to me. Talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me. Talk to me. Be the man. Think you feel the same way. I can't tell with you sometimes. So baby, let's get on the same page. Stop making me read between the lines. Already know I can leave it alone. Come on, yeah. Already gave you the time and a place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give, I want it. Wonderful. Be the man I need. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Be the man that I need. All right, ayan. I'm tired of all the questions. It's a sort of thing. Crazy, make me. You just understand my feelings. Make me see I'm capable and fine. I'm feeling beautified tonight. I'm ready to dive. Maybe it's loving in your eyes. I'm here, see through. Maybe it's the magic in the wine. I'm feeling blue. Maybe it's the fact that every time I fall, I lose it all. But you got me from my head to my feet, and I'm ready to dive. 'Cause the water's warm and nothing wrong and it's alright. I'm 5'10". Well, 5'11" technically. May injury lang kaya naging 5'10". See, I'm capable and fine. I'm feeling beautified tonight. I'm ready to dive. Maybe it's the loving in your eyes. Maybe it's the magic in the wine. Maybe it's the fact that every time I fall, I lose it all. She got me from my head to my feet. I'm ready to dive. I wanna swim good and I wanna swim deeper. Diving into you, diving into me. I wanna swim good and I wanna swim deeper. I wanna swim good and I wanna swim deeper. Maybe it's the loving in your eyes. Hello. I lose it all. Book to ring. Yoko? My feel. I'm ready to die. What are you making? I'm just gonna put zipper sa catsuit na ginagawa ko. How's your day? My day is good, actually. Hello, Terry! Oh my God! I miss you! Actually, parang nararamdaman ko na gumagaling na ako. Oo. Bumabalik yung energy ko eh. Wala akong gana kanina eh. Pati kahapon eh. So parang, hindi, meron pa rin eh. Namiss ko magsuob. Magsuob kaya ako mamaya para... Sige nga, magsuob nga ako mamaya.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna tell you about one of the many men.
Name is irrelevant. Heart is irrelevant.
He was one of the time I was like,
Thank you sa gift, Terry.
truly I'm from a boat. I love a sentiment. Look, they are old enough. I don't know what's in that. So I always say again. Thought he was innocent. I was so wrong.
Stuck in a bed. Terrible things.
You was convincing them. Very believable. But what would you
So I'll take this front row seat. And baby, baby, you could go ahead. Cry those Oscar winning tears that all the night breathe.
baby, baby, you can go ahead.
Cry those Oscar winning tears. Season 4 ka. Sino be?
Look how you talk to me. Constant blasphemy, cinematography. It was on camera, please. I know I'm gonna believe this. Yeah, no, I can't deny it. I thought you would have made true and play. You lying for, you crying for, you did it again.
So I'll take this front row seat. And baby, baby, you could go ahead. Cry those Oscar winning tears that fall and I scream.
Baby, baby, you can go ahead. Cry those.
Oscar winning tears. Ray reminds me of Amy Winehouse konti. Same! I said the same. Terry. Same sentiments. Sabi ko nga sa one time, I remember I said one time sa live ko na parang, alam ko hindi ka boses ni Amy Winehouse. Alam ko rin na magkaiba sila ng jazz take. Kasi, syempre, di ba, it's doo-wop kasi yung jazz ni, tawag dito ni Amy Winehouse. Orchestral kasi itong si Ray. Pero for some reason, Ray reminds me of Amy Winehouse so much. And I can't pinpoint, like, I can't put my finger on it. Like, yeah. Hindi rin sila magamuka. Yung aura and stage presence, I guess you could say, pero not totally stay, I will agree on you on that. Siguro 80%. Kasi ibang stage presence ni Amy Winehouse eh. Kasi Amy Winehouse, hindi ka niya bibigyan ng assurance. Hindi ka bibigyan ni Amy Winehouse ng assurance kung matino ang boses niya sa pagtungtong niya ng entablado, pero kakanta siya regardless. Ganun si Amy Winehouse. Si Ray kasi, talagang bibigyan ka talaga niya ng yung tindig niya na sure ako. Gets mo? Kay Amy Winehouse kasi, wala siyang pakialam kung sasabit ang lalamunan niya o hindi. Wala siyang pakialam sa iyo, be. Basta kakanta siya. Just another day and it's another. Narinig mo na yung conspiracy ng mga natitege ng 27. Yeah, darling. I love conspiracy theories. So Club 27 is is something not new to me. Hey, don't say that though. Don't say that. I'm going to Saskatchewan. It's just another day, and it's all over. Thank you sa gift. Ano to? Is this Jisoo? Oh wow. Okay. Okay. So Jisoo is now singing in English. Yeah. Wait, how new is this song? 6 days ago. Shit. Nabitin pa yung sinulid. Hindi, ano no, hindi bumibirit si Jisoo, no? Alto lang talaga siya. Hindi biritera si Mama, no? Nonchalant lang siya. Sino gusto mo maging cast ang season 4? Si Esnir. Si Terry naman, ikaw, galibol ka rin eh. Si Makoy Dubs. Honestly, ako, anyone, pero sana they will cast season queens as well. Kasi maingay si Edsa, maingay si Malaya, maingay si Bomba. Gets naman, pero sana magpasok din sila ng mga ng mga tawag ito, ng mga tenured tsaka season queens. Pero ako sobrang vocal ko na gusto ko makita si Andy Crocker, kaibigan ko yan. Si Mac, yan, gusto ko makita si Mac. Pag binuksan ko tong makina na to, magtutuloy-tuloy ito. So bukas ko na to. Ayokong ituloy-tuloy ito. Baka hindi na naman mahinto yung utak ko at gumana na naman ng umaga. Baka ang ending magkuskus na naman ako. Baka ang ending magkuskus ako ng tiles. Casting na ba sila for season 4? Hindi pa nga eh, pero yung mga fans atat na atat man. Ayaw nyo munang pagpahingahin muna talaga yung prod para makapag-isip-isip muna sila, alam mo yun, be, para naman makapag-isip sila ng concept, di ba? Para naman, kasi yung ending, minamadali nyo, tapos kapag nagpa-casting, ibabash nyo rin. Di ba pwede pagpahingahin nyo muna yung prod, may mga pamilya rin sila, pahinga muna sila, tapos mating sila, pre-prod muna. May ano kasi yan, be, tawag dito, may tatlong phase yan pre-prod, prod, at saka post-prod. Oo, be. Pag pre-prod mo muna sila, pero bago sila mag-pre-prod, pagpahingahin nyo muna yung production, be. Parang wala naman silang buhay outside Drag Race, wow. At saka para mag-ano pa sila, tawag ito, mag-meeting pa yan. Para naman makapag-isip sila ng mga, mga like concepts and all that. Minamadali nyo, tapos kapag, aatakihin nyo. Pag hindi nyo nagustuhan yung mga perfect din Okay. Remember all of 2019? Namiss ko naman si Doechii. His wifey. I was so confused. What should Doechii do? She didn't know about it and I didn't know about it. Turns out the girl was really a dude. RuPaul can't relate. Because RuPaul is RuPaul, darling. RuPaul has her own team. And RuPaul is the one who is, responsible for all the executive production thing. RuPaul is not part of the creative team. So, tama ka. He really can't relate. The charts need us.
Fast forward me, 2023. I'm stacking lots of cheese and making money. My grass is really green and honestly, I can't even fucking have no more. This is a really dark time for me. I'm going through a lot.
By a lot, you mean drugs?
I wouldn't.
Drugs?
No, it's a no.
Magagamit ko yung Spooky Coochie, in fairness, kasi mag-Halloween. Meron pala akong pyesa sa Halloween. Fuck, I like pills, I like drugs, I like getting money, I like strippers, I like fuck, I like green.
Drinking and day parties in Hollywood. I like doing Hollywood shit. Snorted Hollywood. What can I say? This shit works.
Bukas ko na tapusin yan. Magtutuloy-tuloy yan, be. Kilala ko sarili ko. Oopsie, may Lucy.
Okay, Doechii. We don't want to revert back into our old ways, so we're gonna try a breathing exercise, okay? When I breathe, you breathe. All right? Let's go.
Silent si Doechii ngayon sa sa SOCMED Tour siya Hanap tayo ng song. Alright! Ayan! 11:44 on the clock this evening. All right. Kamusta ang lahat ngayong gabi? Ay, bibili pala akong rhinestone. Okay, so rhinestone bibili ako na. Bumili na ako ng glue. So, nabus kasi ako ng fabric glue. Ibig bili akong fabric. Mayroon ng fabric glue. Rhinestones. So, rhinestones. Ilang kaya? Yeah, 5 bag siguro. Buti na lang talaga ikaw nanalo laban kay Corazon. Sana nandiyan ka pa rin. Be, pumayat na talaga ako ba? Nandiyan ka pa rin ba? Tapos na talaga Islation Royal kahapon, be. Nandiyan ka pa rin, be. Rewatching wala na mapapanood. UK, be, may bagong season ng UK. Wait, may bagong episode ba sila? Wait lang, hold on. Do they have new episode today? Or Friday pa? UK, be! UK. Kung gusto mong manood, UK. Drag, UK. Ano pa ba? Every Friday, may bagong episode ng Survivor. Alam mo yung Survivor? Introduce ka sa Survivor, mamahalin mo yung Survivor, ma-addict ka dun. Baka umabot sa point na mas piliin mo pang Survivor kaysa sa Drag Race eh. Kasi ako kung tatanungin mo ko, anong, pag inalaw ako pareho ng Drag Race saka ng Survivor ako any day. Girl, wala akong pakialam kahit sa gubat ako tumira, Survivor ako. I'm a Survivor super fan. Thursdays, new episode. They do have a new episode. UK time. So, bukas pa ng umaga. Yeah. Well, Naked and Afraid show you like? No, hindi ako fan. Traitor nga eh. Pinipilit nga ako manood ng Traitor. Hindi rin ako fan ng Traitor eh. Though hindi ako fan because hindi ko pa naumpisahan. Pero alam ko rin naman na kapag inumpisahan ko yung Traitor, ma-addict din ako. Pero sa ngayon, okay na muna ako sa mga okay na muna ako Survivor at saka sa Drag Race. So, yeah. So, since like ngayon, tapos na yung Slation, may UK, hindi ko alam, kapag bagot yung UK, hindi na ako mag-renew ng monthly kong subscription. Oo. Sa WoW. Tapos, Survivor na lang ang pinapanood ko. At saka High Potential. High Potential maganda, be. Sobrang ganda ng High Potential. Oh my God. Inaabangan ko yung linggo-linggo. Anyway. Hala, High Potential. O, di ba meron? O, sabi mo wala ka nang mapanood. O, meron na ngayon. High Potential Season 2. Kakalabas na ng bagong episode kahapon. Sabay sila ng Drag Race. Diba? Paano po matulog? Be, alam mo yung Jollibee, be? May malapit pa sa yung Jollibee or 7-Eleven? Umpog mo ulo mo dun. Nice suggestion. You're welcome, darling. Morgan Guillerstan. Oo, sobrang ganda ng At saka, pag manonood ka ng High Potential, you cannot do anything else. Because High Potential is so good that if you're doing something, you're gonna miss a detail and you will miss out a lot sa episode. Because it's so good. Ang galing, ang ganda. Fast-paced. Hindi siya fast-paced, Terry. It's not more of fast-paced. It's more of jam-packed with details that you should not miss on. Because, girl, kailangan talaga tutok ka. Tutok ka talaga. Oo. hindi ka pwedeng may ginagawa, nagluluto, nagsasaing, may nag-ano, hindi pwede be. Pag nanood akong High Potential, taubang cellphone. Oo. Tas watch talaga ako, tutok talaga ako be. Galing. Sobrang galing. Yeah. Tapos base siya sa libro. Base siya sa libro. Nasaan yung libro na yon? Sino ang may access sa libro na yon? French book siya eh. Pero baka naman may English version. I want that book. I want that book. Oh really? Di ko alam na book-based pala. Terry? Alam mo Terry, feeling ko ikaw yung nanonood ng episode na after nung matapos ng episode. Exit ka na. Nakalagay talaga palagi be. Based on a book, based on a novel, Kemerut. Every episode. Nakalagay talaga, this is based on Kemerut. Terry. TikTok ano na? Hindi ka makapag-comment. Saya ng viewing party and after party last night. And di ako nakapano. Wala eh. Nag-community service na lang ako, Vange. Oo. Sakit tayo eh. Parang, yeah. At saka, alam nyo guys, paano ba? Can I say something? Ito yung na-realize ko nung nanalo sa Brigading, nung kinokoronahan si Brigading, yung episode, habang nanonood kami, naka-livestream ako. This is what I realized, na Briggs was really not meant to win Season 1 because Season 1 is meant for Precious. And whatever happened to Briggs for the past years after Season 1 is meant to happen because she said herself na Season 1 experience humbled her because she's so full of, you know, she's so full of confidence coming into the competition na sikat na siya and all that. And, you know, dinasal ko to ha. Kasi so every night nagdadasal ako. So pinag-pray ko si Briggs kasi nga, syempre, kaibigan ko. So pinag-pray ko si Briggs sana gabayan siya, sana i-bless pa siya, at sana tawag dito, protektahan siya. So anyway, so as I was talking to God last night, when I was praying, sabi ko, grabe ka no, Lord. I realized while I was watching the episode kanina, sabi ko, sa dasal, I realized na Season 1 was really not meant for Briggs to win. Because it's for Precious. Kasi long overdue kay Precious yun, deserve ni Precious yun. And after that, yung pinagdaanan ni Briggs, it's meant to happen. Kasi, Brigading has the skill, Brigading has the talent, Brigading has the brains, Brigading has the creativity, Brigading has, you know, the personality. Pero, what Brigading lacks is the humanity and the humility, which a winner possess. So, kailangan, yung sinabi ni Brigading na yung experience niya sa Season 1, it really humbled her. Sabi ko, grabe ka no, Lord, talagang yung ingredients na na kailangan ng isang winner. Pinaranas mo kay Brigading na, anak, hindi para sa iyo yung Season 1 kasi kulang ka nito. Pagdaanan mo muna to para pag dumating pag kinalabit ulit kita sa opportunity, kailangan ready ka na. And that's what happened to her. Relatability, that too. Well, debatable. Terry, kasi sa mundo namin sobrang relatable talaga si Brigading. And Brigading has always been, you know, a trendsetter in our community. Bago pa kami lumabas sa telebisyon, Brigading is a trendsetter. Kaya alam mo yon, if in as much as I want to keep on like in as much as I want to have conversations or argue with people online, mahirap kasi eh. Kasi ang intention nila is, you know, to discredit Brigading. So, no matter how much credit I will give for Briggs, para lang makipag-argue sa kanila, hindi nila tatanggapin yun kasi ang punto nila, i-discredit si Briggs. So, para ka nakapag-away sa lata na walang laman. Basically. So, ganon. O di kaya para kang nakipagtalo sa AFAM. Tapos magkaiba kayo ng lingwahe. Gets? So yeah. Anyway, so as I was praying, sabi ko, kailangan no Lord, kailangan talagang ma-experience si Briggs yun. Kasi, pagpasok niya ng Slation, buo na siya. At saka sabi ko, tsaka Lord, alam mo no, grabe ka. Alam mo yung potential ni Brigading. Hindi pa kami lumalabas sa TV, sobrang sikat na siya. Kilala na siya sa industriya ng drag, ng fashion, ng TV. Because Briggs is not just a drag queen, she's also a celebrity makeup artist. So like, sabi ko sa dasal ko na, grabe ka no Lord. Sobrang, yung nangyari kay Brigading, it's very fitting sa journey niya. Why? Because you know that Briggs is not meant to win a local competition. It has to have something special because Briggs is that bitch. You know, Briggs has been known around the world that who represents Philippines. So, sinadya mo talaga no Lord na hindi bigay sa kanya ang regular season kasi ang para sa kanya, yung may something special. Slation Royale. You know, who will represent Asian drag excellence, not just Philippine drag. And I'm not saying that Precious, Maxi, and Katkat, you know, didn't deserve that because I'm just only talking about Briggs. So sabi ko, grabe ka no Lord. Sobrang deserve ni Briggs yun. Like, grabe yung journey ni Briggs. Sobrang, kung ano yung nangyari sa kanya, sa journey niya, alam man niya ng lahat o hindi. Kaming mga nakakaalam, sobrang deserve niya. Hinigilabutan ako. So, yun. Kaya sabi ko sa live ko na bago ko mag-end ng live kagabi, di ba sabi ko, maraming umatakay kay Briggs online. Pagtanggol nyo naman, kasi deserve naman niya eh. At saka, gets ko yun kung hindi nanalo yung bet nyo. Gets ko yung bitterness. Pero for you to discredit someone's win, just because your bet didn't win, that's something else. Your opinions are valid, your behavior is not. Your feelings are valid, your behavior is not. Okay lang masaktan ka dahil hindi nanalo si Vinya, si Ari, or si Suki. But your behavior is not valid. To attack the winner? That's not valid. Okay lang masaktan ka. Siyempre, mahal mo yung queen na nirurut mo eh. Pero for you to discredit someone's win, that's wrong. Yeah. Your feelings are valid. Go, why not? Pwede mong i-tweet or i-comment lang na, oh my God, I'm so sad, hindi nanalo si Vinyas, ganyan-ganyan. That's it. Pero for you to discredit Briggs' win, that's the fine line of wrong. Tours papalala mo para Hoy Makoy, Wala naman sa hulog yung comment mo, be. Gets ko yung pag-agree mo sa akin, pero mali naman yung pag-comment mo, be. True, may biases Vinyas, but deserve pa rin ni Briggs yung winner. Oo, be. At saka mga be, magkaibigan kasi talaga sila ba? Alam mo yun, sa tingin nyo ba matutuwa si Vinyas? Totoo, inisip nyo ba yun sa mga nag-aatake kay Brigiding? Naisip nyo ba na ikatutuwa ni Vinyas na yung best friend niya minamaliit nyo dahil lang dahil lang gusto siya manalo at hindi siya ang nanalo? Sa tingin nyo ba ikatutuwa ni Vinyas yun? At sa tingin nyo ba tuturing kayo ni Vinyas na fans because of that behavior? No, bitch. Hindi matutuwa si Vinyas dun, be. Yeah, super deserve niya. Yeah. At saka kahit alisin natin yung life outside the competition, yung journey outside the competition, yung kung ano na lang napanood nyo eh. Guys, are we watching the same show? Cause I can see, and a lot of people also saw, you know, how Briggs really like dominated the show and really like put out consistent wins, consistent strong outputs every episodes. You may not like the clothes and the costumes that she wears, and it's true that a lot of, you know, there are some looks of hers that mas maganda, pero that doesn't mean that her looks is, you know, her looks are really bad. No, it's not. They're all good. Diba? Yung iba kasi nawawala kasi yung rationality kasi nung iba eh, kapag tinamaan ng nawawala kasi yung rationality ng ibang fans kapag hindi na nanalo yung winner nila or hindi maganda yung nagiging journey ng winner, nung bet nila. Nawawala yung rationality nila, atake na sa iba. Pangit, no? At saka alam nyo, I saw Odasha's tweet, actually. Nag-check ako ng Twitter kanina, isang beses. I saw Odasha's tweet na oo nga, ang lungkot, no? Napansin ko na to season 1 pa lang. Nakakalungkot pero at the same time, I'm also thankful. Nakakalungkot, why? Kasi kung sino pa yung mga bakla, sila pa yung grabe mga atake sa mga drag queens. Kung sino pa yung mga bading, sila pa yung grabe mambash, grabe mandaot. Pero pagdating sa tips, ilang taon ako sa Ubarbe. Ang dami ko na experience na hindi maganda sa mga bakla. Swear, tatalikuran ka, lalapit ka pa na sa table, tatalikuran ka, bigyan ka ng ticket ng bus, resibo ng ATM, candy wrapper. Diba? Maraming daot na bakla, be. Sila pa yung grabe mambash, sila pa yung grabe mang down, sila yung pagdating sa suportahan, wala ka maasahan sa karamihan sa mga bakla. Pero I'm just so thankful that there are these ladies, there are these, you know, women, there are these girls who loves drag queens so much. I'm just so thankful to those, you know, women. kung sino pa yung mga babae na hindi normally mamatatagpuan sa mga drag bars, sa mga drag shows, sa mga gay bars, sila pa yung grabe sumuporta sa mga drag queens. Samantalang yung mga bakla na gabi-gabi bago mag-drag, nung wala pang drag race, gabi-gabi nakikita mo sa bar, nakikita yung struggles ng mga drag queens. How much tips they get only a night. How much hard work they do when they perform every fucking night. And yet they are the ones who attack the drag queens. Sila yung grabe mang daot. Yeah. Sobrang agree ako dun sa tweet ni Odasha. Swear. Grabe yung mga girls. Like, grabe magmahal yung mga girls. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. And not just that. Sino ang pumupuno ng mga viewing party? Sino ang pumupuno ng mga drag shows? Babae. Season 1 nga, naloka yung amo namin sa O-Bar dati eh. Naloka siya. Kasi yung Devoto talaga ang pumuno ng O-Bar that night talaga te. Kay Precious. Totoong buhay lang. Naloka amo namin na, ba't puro babae na nangyari sa pumasok sa backstage si Daddy Mon, bakit puro babae sa O-Bar? Nangyayari? Dad, mga fans po ng drag queens. Ba't puro babae? Sa gay bar tayo ah. Dad, kasi fan ng drag race, Dad. Andito kasi kami noon. Grabe magmahal yung mga babae, swear. Sa mga drag queens. In fairness, grabe ang support ng mga girls, the women. Yeah. Thank you. Kamukha mo na si Stel during pre-debut ng SB19. Huy, grabe ka naman. Totoo ba? I mean, hindi naman si minamali ko si Stel, pero matawa sa mailong ko, bro. Don't get me wrong, I love Stel, ha? Crush ko si Stel. Wala ka ng lagnat, ma. Meron pa rin. May sinat ako. Ramdam ko pa ito, oh. Hoy, kilala ko ang SB19. Ilang beses ko na sila nakasama sa gigs. Ilang beses ko na sila nakasama sa dressing room. Ilang beses ko na sila nakausap at ilang beses ko na silang nakachikahan. Sobrang bait ng SB19. Swear. They're so sweet. And sobrang cute ni Stel. Like, alam mo yun, like, bait nito. Ginagasa pa, alam mo, gwapo mo. Bait mo pa. Di ka nga. Sabi niyo ba yun? Ano ba? Gcash. Bait. Tapos bago sila sumalang sa yung sa Gcash event, last Gcash event ko, bago sila sumalang, sisigaw ako, SB, let's go, let's get it! Sa backstage, sabi niya, sino yun? Let's get it! Sabi niya, Turing! Sabi ko, bakit may kilig? Girl, nakakakilig talaga. Siyempre, no. Bet ko kaya si Stel. Tsaka, mabait si Stel. Actually, all of them are mabait. Sino to? Merong isa akong na-meet na siguro busy lang kasi that time. Pero, oh my God, sino to? Meron siyang solo song na vampire ang thank you. Cute nun. Meron siyang solo song na vampire ang... Sino nga ba to? Mahalan ito. Hindi si Ken eh. Yung hindi humingiti. Josh Karen. Lagi na agad to. Lagi na agad nun. Yung hindi humingiti. Nagkasama, tawag ito, nagkasama kami sa Nylon. Is it Nylon? Yeah, I think it was Nylon magazine. Yeah. Nylon event. Hindi pa naman kami sobrang nagkakakilala nun. Kasi after, as a group ko kasi sila lagi nakakasama. Basta mabait sila, swear. At saka tao sila. Doon ako sure, tao sila kausap. You get what I mean when I say tao sila? Like, they're not, when you talk to them and when they talk to you, it's human. They're not like that. Tao sila kausap. Tao sila kahalubilo. Yeah. At saka ano sila? This is a compliment ha. Jolog sila kasama. Hindi sila high priestess. Like, jolog sila kasama. Sarap. Like, alam mo yon, kaya nilang kumain ng tira, ganun. Yung ganung level ng ng pagka-humility. Yun, yung parang, B, wala na, B. Okay lang to, B. Yung pwede kayo mag-share ng baso, mga ganun. Yung walang arte. Ganun sila. Tsaka, B, legit magaling. Magaling, B. Rehearsal. Nag-rehearsal lang sila. Yung Gcash event, rehearsal lang yun. Well, kasama naman kasi nila si Gary V. So, kailangan nila magpakitang gilas din naman, So, pero rehearsal pa lang yun. Si Sir Gary, chill lang. Ang SB, palaban. Laban na laban on a 7 a.m. Laban na laban on a 7 a.m. rehearsal. At sabog, yung mga, hindi pa ako tao nun. Umihigo pa lang ako ng kape, wala nakatitig sa kanila. Palaban, B. Rehearsal? Wala. Galing sila. Sorry po, nakalimutan ko paano tayo napunta nga ulit from beginning to SB19. Oo nga, B. May nag-comment kasi, kamukha ko daw si Estel. 12-12. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Universe. Thank you po. Clue, balikan mo na lang ako kapag nasa 2025 ka na, be. You're kind of 4 years late. Yeah. Face cards never decline ng SB ma, lalo na up close. Ay, hindi ka sure. Cute sila. Oo, pero tao pa rin sila. Just like what I said, they're still human. Yeah. Oo. And I mean that in a cute way, ha? And not in a derogatory way. Olivia Rodrigo. Saan nagaling si Olivia Rodrigo, be? Bakit may nag-comment na Olivia Rodrigo, be? Saan nagaling yun? Anong pinanggalingan? Anong tanong to? At Olivia Rodrigo ang sagot? When? Sagot to sa anong tanong? Ha? Bakit nagkaroon ng Olivia Rodrigo sa... Anong pinanggalingan niyan, B? Ay, Olivia Rodrigo, be? Yung tanong mo na vampire... SB19? Vampire, Olivia Rodrigo. SB? Olivia Rodrigo. Illiterate! Tsaday. Patugtog nga tayo, be. Ay, air supply medley, oh. Lakas makalinggo nito, be. Lakas maka-Sunday. City pop tayo. Alright. Good morning. Konnichiwa. 私は鳥ですか? Nagbabalik si Jody Mango, peace. Hoy, Terry! Hindi ko naabutan si Jody Mango. 92 talaga ako, be. Hindi ko siya naabutan talaga, be. Tigilan mo ako. Wag mo akong, 33 pa lang ako. Jody Mango mo mukha mo, Terry. Probably nag-exist pa si Jody Mango noon, pero most likely, ako'y ibang mundo ko noon. Naglalaro pa akong Patintero, be, Chinese Garter, Tagu-Taguan, Black 123. Jody Mango, wow! Naabutan ko na Naabutan ko na. Sino ba naabutan ko? Shit, wala naman akong kilalang bagong DJ. Umalis na nga pala si Tinsa Magic. Oh my God. Grabe, no? Anyway, sa nakakaalam nung issue, like, oh my God, what's happening to Magic? Papa Jack. Well, Papa Jack, I was high school and college when Papa Jack is running. Mo Twister, never ako naging... I don't think I have heard Mo. Nung nag-Magic si Mo, hindi ako nakikinig ng Magic. Ang pinapakinggan ko ay RX. RX talaga ako. RX at saka Tambalan, 90.7. At saka NU. Oh my God, pero wala na kasi NU eh. College ako nung nawala ang NU. Wait, was I college? Or after college? I think after college na ata ako. After college na ata ako nung nawala ang NU. Wish, bago lang yun, be. RX, Delamar, and the guy. Chico and Delamar. Ano pa yun dati? Chico and Delamar. And then, Chico, Chino, and Delamar. OMG, you're hot. Sakto lang. Dr. Love. Hindi eh. Ano lang talaga ako. Morning lang talaga ako. Like, morning lang. On the way to school lang ako nakikinig ng radyo. Yun lang ang bumubuhay sa akin sa FXB. Papunta ng CEU. Yun lang talaga. RX at saka Tambalan. Yun lang yung bumubuhay sa akin sa umaga. Kailangan ko kasi ng energy at saka ng so kailangan ko ng ingay ni ng Tambalan at saka tawag dito yung music, yung discography ng Monster. Hindi ko alam kailan ba. Alam mo, feeling ko nung past life ko I was born in the 60s and then my prime was the 80s and then I don't know, I died. And then reborn in the 90s. Yeah. Because I love... So, when it comes to music, I love old songs so much. I am such an old soul. I love old songs. I grew up listening to a lot of 60s songs, 70s, and then 80s. I love the 80s so much. I love the fashion. I love the life. I love listening to my titas and my titos talking about the 80s, like, you know. And I love, you know, I love listening to my mom, tatay ko, talking about the 80s, like how their life was so amazing back in the 80s. Like how cheap you can get fashion, pero the cheap fashion is not really cheap, like Hush Puppies. Kasi tatay ko, puro branded, like Giordano, Guess, Bossini, Hush Puppies. Puro ganun yung mga ano niya. And nanay ko, well, she works at Mattel. So ayun. Nanay ko kasi laking hirap. So, sa factory worker nanay ko. Gumagawa siya ng damit ni Barbie noong dekada 80. Tatay ko ay isang tawag ito. Paano ba? Nepo baby. Isang batugan na Nepo baby. Ang tatay ko. Oo. Asa sa yaman ng magulang. Ganon ang tatay ko. Never worked like a regular job. Well, he used to do real estate, pero like a regular office job, my father never did that because my lola's family, my lola's side, my father's side, you know, rich people. So, yun. Pero nanay ko, laking hirap. Kaya, like, I had the mixture of a lot of life. Hippie era, yes. I love that. 12:21. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Universe. Where was I going with this talk? Ano nga tinutumbok ko? Ano nga tinutumbok ko sa kwento ko? Naputol tuloy. Bakit hindi ka na po nag-show, Ate Turing? Ayoko na, B. Wala, nag-start ka lang mag-DJ voice kanyan. Pangit ka ka-banding, alam mo, Terry. Hindi ka pwede maging bawal kang mag-minutes ng meeting. Nawawala ka rin sa hindi ka marunong mag-track. Hanap tayo ng music, like puro kasi Japanese songs ang laman ng FYP ko ngayon. Girl, kung hindi jazz, Japanese songs. Puro documentary rin, so hindi nyo rin mahanap. Sige nga, patutog na tayong Cortez. Hello. Oras na, 12:24. Maganda kaya. Mga be, siguro mag-end na ako ng 12:30. Yeah. Wait, ang ganda ng ilaw. Ooh, I look cute here. Ooh, lovely. Ooh, the light is lighting. Hey. Gwapo nitong mga to, oh. Kaya lang ang sakit sa puso nilang malaman yung edad nila, be. Grabe, like, Nakakaloka, alam mo yun. Nung napanood ko yung profile video nila, sakit sa puso, be. Alam mo yun, 2009 sila pinanganak. 2009 first year college talaga ako ba? Alam mo yun, like what the fuck? Sakit sa puso. Sakit sa puso, no? The people that I'm watching now dominating the music, the film, what else, reality, are so young na parang, alam mo yun, I'm just in my 30s pero I feel so old. Because yung mga naglalabasan ngayon sa TV, puro lahat sobrang babata. Kasi yung 17, di ba, dati yung 17 years old, 16 years old, teen star. Di ba, nene. Ngayon, was it like Baby Monster? May 13. May 13 sa Baby Monster. Bakla. 13 years old. Baka mga nepo babies ma. I don't think so. At saka, tawag dito, Jinky, kung nepo babies man sila, hindi rin kasi sapat yun eh. I don't know if you're aware how K-pop idols are training. Nepotism can only take you somewhere when it comes to being a K-pop idol. It can get you to a room, but if you're really not gonna work hard, you're not gonna make it, honey. Alam mo yun? Gets mo yun? Kasi grabe ang training nila. Hindi sapat ang pagiging nepo baby mo dun, B. Kapag wala ka talagang galing, talento, at saka tawag dito, sipag, at saka tiyaga, labi. Hi po, ilan po calories ng cookies na pinost nyo na matcha per piece? Ryan, no idea. Yeah, no idea. Pero I believe you can ask Al Cafe Bakery. Yeah, you can message them naman. Pero nakalagay naman 120 grams eh. So kapag sinabi niya na like I don't know, like let's say like 120 calories per 60 grams, mga ganon. So magkakaroon ka ng idea. Pero masarap talaga siya, be. Walang halong biro. I'm not just a fan of the chocolate chip cookie, the matcha though. Legit yung matcha, be. Siguro kung tatanungin mo ko kung anong pwedeng i-improve sa chocolate chip cookie, siguro kung lagyan pa ni seller ng salt or at least medyo chocolatey pa, at least. Kasi hindi kasi siya sobrang choco chip ang lasa sa akin. Not a fan rin ng chocolate. Well, I'm also not a fan of chocolate, pero I love choco chip. I love chocolate chip cookies. Pero hindi siya yung for me, the best chocolate chip cookies that in my head on top of my head right now, is Sugar High Bakery. Sugar High Bakery sa Quezon City. Pero you can find them on Grab. Yeah, Sugar High Bakery. For me, yun pa rin. Like, on top of my head. For the price ha, kasi maraming masasarap na chocolate chip cookies dyan. Pero for the price and how big Sugar High Bakery cookies are, how moist, how dense, yun. Pero yung matcha, legit be. 12:30, no to self, labanan ng cravings. Terry, okay lang naman eh. Mag-place ka na lang ng order. Panoorin mo yung video ko na pinost, latest post ko. Second to the last. Mag-place ka pa lang naman ng order, Terry. hindi mo naman siya makakain ngayon eh. Diba? Gagawin pa lang siya, Terry. Sige na, mag-place ka na ng order. Supportahan mo yung ano, wait, let me just say this. So, the reason why I found that, so nag-scroll lang ako ng video, ng FYP ko. Tapos, napadaan lang yung video ng girl na nagbe-bake siya sa kusina niya. Parang may cafe naman ata siya, pero parang mas pinili niyang mag-bake sa kusina. Tapos parang small business lang siya na parang sinasabi niya lang na sobrang happy siya kasi nagkakaroon na ng traction yung mga posts niya about their bakery, about their cookies. Tapos yung videos was just like, you know, preparing cookies. Tapos nung kinlik ko yung yellow basket niya, hindi ako sure. Sabi ko, 160 pesos, 120 grams, 2 pieces? Sabi ko, 2 pieces? Like 2 pirasong cookies? So, 80 lang lumalabas, 120 grams ng cookies. Sabi ko, sige nga, place nga ako. Bakit? Kamo? Kasi, magkano na ang cookies ngayon, be? Yung palm size ha, yung palm size na cookie ha, magkano yun? Sugar high is how much? 150. And then, ang most ay 175. Though masarap ang most. Hindi ko naman talaga, be, sugar high tsaka most for me top tier. Pero 175. Ano ba? Kumbaga napaisip ako na, totoo ba? Sige nga, try ko nga, place ako order. So yun, dumating kanina. Nung isang araw lang ako isang gabi lang ako nag-place ng order. So yun. Support nyo na siya, local business. Ben's Cookies, ayun patin. O nga no, ang dami ko palang cookies na nawala sa isip ko. Hindi, kasi, tama. Hindi mahal kasi ang Ben's Cookies, tin eh. Masarap ang Ben's pero ang mahal kasi ng Ben's. So, tsaka hindi naman, yung Ben's kasi, hindi naman sobrang kapal ng Ben's Cookies, may kanipisan. Kumbaga parang paano ba? Kung ikukumpara mo siya sa Moe's, yung Moe's kasi be, ganito talaga be. Dax talaga be, yung Moe's cookies. Sarap talaga be. At saka talagang chocolate chunk talaga be. Sarap. Yung Ben's Cookies kasi, lang siya malinis. Medyo may kanipisan, pero sobrang sarap. Yeah. Masarap sa Ben's ay yung choco chip, dark cookies, macadamia, praline, matcha. Yeah, that's that. Yung biscoff. Yung biscoff. Cookie preference, chewy, crunchy. Always chewy. I've never been a fan of crunchy cookies. Never ako naging fan ng kaya hindi ako naging fan ng wait, what's it called this? Delight. What you call that? Ano yung Cookies Delight? Tama ba? Cookies Delight? Delight Cookies. Chips Delight. Yon. Though masarap, yung pula nila, yung Chips Delight na pula, yun yung moist. Yun yung chewy. Sarap nun, be. Laban ko yun dati. Fix my hair, fix my makeup on the way. Bound to the next stop, bound for the great. They can bow down to the X. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you, Lord. Wow! Okay. Parang sunod-sunod ata nakita ng angel numbers. Okay, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Universe. Pepper Ridge Farm Chocolate Cookie, super fudgy pa. Hindi ko pa natitikman, Terry eh. Pwede mo naman akong padalan. I was in FEU last Tuesday. Okay. At tapos, FGT ka, diba? Hindi be. CEO ako, be.
Break the show and that's all I know. I'm supervision. Y'all just built on superstitions. Watch me do everything, everywhere, all at once, all the time, all around the world. Hooked up looking like this. So don't get under my skin.
CEO ako nga ni.
And that's the name of the shit that mother wolf. So don't make fun of my kids. We all family standing tall now. So don't talk that I'm kidding. Hey, look how you sit up, party.
Eskolarian ako nga ni. Hindi ako tamaraw nga ni.
Let your party go. Party, party, ah. Nothing add up when we blast away. Back on, back on, back out.
Pero okay lang yon. Isang letra lang naman nagkaiba, no? Gets ko naman. Okay lang yung B. Tsaka isang jeep lang naman, okay lang naman. Kaya nga lakarin eh. Menjola, Toretto. Lapit lang talaga, be. Tatawid ka lang. UE. FEU. Yun na yun, be. Diba? CEU. Intersection. Tatawid ka overpass. Baba ka dun sa paggawaan ng mga baba ka dun sa dating trabaho ni Bernie. Baba ka sa dating trabaho ni Bernie. Yung paggawaan ng mga badge at saka trophy. Tsaka mga peking resibo. Peking resibo, peking peking certificate of matriculation. Yun, baba ka doon. Ay, kita mo si Bernie doon. Dati yung trabaho yun, be. Rectorialness. Ay, be, wala pa sa recto, be. Wala pa ako sa recto. Wala pa ako sa recto. Nasa UE pa lang ako. Katapat ng San Sebastian. Menjola pa lang ako, be. Lakad ka pa. Ay, kita mo na yung UE. Tapos pagdating mo na UE, lakad ka lang. Lakad ka pa. Kaganon ka lang, FEU ka na, be. Yun na yun. Talaga ba? Naniwala ka naman, ikaw naman. So, go muna bago FEU. Tapos isitan, ay, be, nasaan ka? Saan banda ka, be? Parang medyo lumayo ka na, be. Parang ibang way ata yung dinaanan mo, be. Kaya po dinaanan mo, no? Nasa maling side ka, eh. Amy, galing ako ng CEU, be. CEU galing, yung kinakwento kong tumbok, CEU, be. Galing ako CEU. Menjola, be. Hold up. Nakaka-stress ba maging drag queen? Depende. Pauwi yung view mo, papasok yung kay Amy. Hindi. Tama naman. Parang sa 6 na taon ko sa Manila, parang tama naman yung kwento ko. Oo, parang tama naman. Parang nakailang balik naman ako sa FEU para kausapin ng kuya ko. Oo, parang okay na, parang yung tama na may dinadaanan ko. Oo, magkaiba kami ng POV kasi may isa na siyang binanggit eh. Wait, sabi ko talaga 12:30 lang talaga ako, be. Anyway, oy mga be, 87 viewers, kung hindi niyo pa ako follow niyo ako dito, ha. Also, follow niyo rin ako sa follow niyo rin ako sa IG kung okay lang. Makailan ka po ulit namin makita in drag? Pag sinipag, kapag may natuloy na gig. Kasi inquiry ko, sana nga mag-reply na sa Iligan eh. Medyo na-excited ako dun sa Iligan. Oo, parang na-excite ako sa Iligan. Yeah. Sana balikan ako ng Iligan na invitation. Yeah. Tsaka, puro mga private yung nag-inquire sa akin eh. Maganda nga, may isang nag-inquire sa akin to like be a speaker. Ang ganda ng topic. Sobrang like, umuo agad ako eh. Hindi ako nagdalawang isip. Ang ganda ng topic. Like, right away. Yes. Pero, ewan ko. Ano po workout routine nyo? Isang oras sa walkpad. Dumbbells. Dancing. That's it. Calisthenics. Oh, wait lang. Mga be, tumatagal tayo. Mag-aalauna na talaga ba? Sige na. Sige na. Sorry. O mga be, hanggang dito na muna ako ha. That's it for me for tonight. Okay? Love you. See you next live. 4.6.